If you'd like to see more pictures of this vehicle, you can visit us online at dreamcarscredit.com. There you can also find a map to our location, and you can even apply for credit and get approved the same day. You can call us toll-free at 888-929-3110, or if you're ready to test drive that dream car, why don't you come on down and see me. We're located right off of Highway 290 East in Austin.